Hi all, Taryn from Ambrosia Design here. Just wanted to do a bit of an unboxing for my latest delivery, which is going to be sleek brushes. So I put this order through it must have only been last Friday or so. So it's Wednesday today. Got here really quickly from Victoria to Brisbane. So very, very well done there. I've cut my address details off, but let's see what we've got from Sleek. Do you ever watch unboxing videos and they've got scissors and you feel nervous? I know I do. Okay, what is this? So we've got plastic cover sheets, which I've ordered to cover furniture that, so my workspace, I have finished furniture and works in progress in the same space, just due to storage limitations. And so I noticed that with my finished furniture, I'll walk past it every now and then waiting for it to sell and run my finger across it, and you know there's a line of dust from where I've been sanding. So I want to cover furniture once I've finalized it, just so it's nice and neat for anyone wanting to come and have a look at it. And you know, you want to keep things clean, so I got a couple of those. Now, based on Twitch at Creep Design, she speaks very highly of this tape, so I ended up getting tape because I've just recently used some tape to do some stripes, and there was a lot of bleed through, and I thought I'd actually push the tape down pretty firmly. So I'm excited to give this tape a try. I'm working on a cabinet at the moment which has a lot of detail work which requires some taping, so yeah, I'm looking forward to using that. So the smaller one in particular, that's going to be great. So thank you Twitch. So I got all different sizes there. So hopefully that will last until at least for a couple of projects. Okay, what else have we got? Sandpaper rolls. So just a little bit of sandpaper, just a trial. So this is 600 grit, so just some really fine finishing sandpaper. So just to smooth any bumps in any finishing surfaces of paint. So you just want to get knock those little peaks off before you put the top coat on. So I'll give that a try. I don't think I've ever used a 600 grit sandpaper before. I did get one which is like I think it's like is it Unipro, something like that. That is an incredibly fine sandpaper, and it's almost cushioned. It's almost got like a sponge in between the two layers, which I've found has been really effective. So I'm excited to give this sandpaper a try. Just some chip brushes. So just to do some, so these are one and they're done. And that's to do, primarily to do any kind of, what would I use that for? So any top coat of oil-based glossy varnish, I'll use these. And also, maybe not these ones, they seem a little bit softer. But the other sort of, the wooden handled chip brushes I'll use for any kind of stippling or putting sort of that rough texture paint on to have that textured finish. So I'm curious to give these a try to see how they go. So I have a credenza at the moment, so like a buffet, and I'm curious to see what these are like, so I might use them for that. So I got all different sizes anyway, because you just never know. So we'll see how that goes. Now brushes. I love these brushes. So I got I actually thought I ordered several of each, and I'll see what's happened to my order. So I was trying to order, you know, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, 2 of these, because they're handy to use. I found that sleek brushes are really great to keep clean, so the actual bristles. I use a soap by Alice's Wonders, and it's like a lemon soap, which is absolutely superb for brushes. These type of bristles, so this type of bristle goes very well with that brush. So I've got older sleek brushes that have the green top, the green handle at the top, and they look brand new. They absolutely look brand new. The handle's not so much, because it's wooden, that just, you know, it's so porous that it absorbs any color that goes near it, but the bristles are absolutely fantastic. I'll have a look at my order to see what happened with the other brushes. So I got the utility knife as well. Once again, Twitch, thank you. I was looking for one of these. All of the utility knives that I have are a little lackluster, so we'll see how that one goes. And from here, so I got, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 handles, so they're just plain black. I particularly like black furniture. I think black is my favorite color to use, or tone to use on furniture. So when I saw these, I absolutely jumped at them. So they you basically see the same, but the gold, there's gold, this little part that holds the bar, you see that in gold and other shades as well, other colors, but plain black is just amazing. So we'll see how that goes. And okay, so just the really tiny little handles. I feel like these will be quite versatile. They're just basically they look like brushed brass, bronze. Actually, I'd say brass more than anything. So we'll see what I can use these for. Lovely little handles, very sweet. Okay, so that's what I got from Sleek. I'll go back over and have a look at what I ordered. I think I ordered on a Friday afternoon frenzy, so we'll see what I've actually ordered and what's arrived. But yeah, do try, if you haven't used Sleek brushes before, sleekbrushes.com.au. They're absolutely fantastic. So I highly rate all of the products I've used from Sleek. Has just been absolutely amazing. So do give them a try. Thanks. Bye. Hey, so I thought I'd come on here and do a quick update of what happened with the Sleek order. So I did actually order 6 brushes in total. So I got 2 of the largest, 2 of the second largest, which is the 25mm and the 21mm, and then the 1 each of the smaller brushes. And what had happened is I didn't get either of the 21mm, so they were just basically missed when they were picking the order, which is fine. I mean, it's a company run by people and people make mistakes. I got in contact with Sleek, so when I filmed that first video, I sort of got straight onto the email with Sleek, and they responded within probably about 10 minutes or so. And you know, nothing was too much trouble. So they basically said immediately, you know, what's missing, would you like a refund, or would you like us to send it to you? And I said, no, please send. I'd like the brushes. And they said that they'll get that out in tomorrow's order. So not even upset. you know, people make mistakes, companies make mistakes, and you know, the true test is how are they going to respond, react, deal with that error. And they did it flawlessly. You know, it was absolutely perfect. So I couldn't ask for anything else. You know, if a mistake happens and they own it and immediately go to rectify the error. So I'll get those 2 brushes probably, I would say, about next week or so. And yeah, really happy with the quality, really happy with the order. So sleekbrushes.com.au, and I'll post the address, the web address, and post some information in the box below. And also for Alice's Wonders, for the soap, so brush soap, if you're getting into furniture painting and you want a decent, very nice brush soap, that's definitely one to look out for, as well as hand lotion, like hand balm, and really wonderful things. So until the next video, and I'll post a few clips of actually using the brushes, but I already know the quality, and I already know the product, the brand well enough to know that I'm definitely going to like the brushes. So until next time, thanks, bye.